Hi, it's Friday, so let's chill and do something easy today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn Frontend and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Let's solve today's code titled Basic Subclasses Adam and Eve. According to the creation myth of the Abrahamic religions, Adam and Eve were the first humans to wander the earth. You have to do God's job. The creation method must return an array of length 2 containing objects presenting Adam and Eve. The first object is the array. Should be an instance of the class man. The second should be an instance of the class woman. Both objects have to be subclasses of human. Your job is to implement the human, man and woman class. Let's try. So I have a class God that returns an array human and have only one static create method. Let's examine test cases. For the first one, create a variable using this create method, so it gets an instance of this class, and it expects an array humans, and the first element should be instance of man. That's quite understandable. So I need to create a class human, as the first expected class is class human, and it contains simply constructor and nothing more. Then I need to create a class man. It should inherit class human, so I need extend human with simple constructor that returns nothing, and that's all. And then let's extend this static method. I create a variable Adam and should be an instance of man, and then return an array of these instance Adam. Let's try. Run sample tests. Must call super constructor in derived class before, so let's extend this constructor using super. Let's try. Now that works, and as for other test cases, it should be woman. Let's create if, so I need a class woman that extends class human and do the same. Constructor inherits of all elements from the human and then return a new instance. Let's add if here, const if new from woman, and add here into this array. Let's try this solution. Accurate super is unexpected here. Let's try. Now it works. I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.